Okay, so finally, you can hear the voice, right? So, what's up? Let's welcome to the mini tornado tip. I hope you enjoy it because my video was finally having this phone is finally having a sound of a voice. Thanks. Okay. They crashed the whole city, guys. Oh my god! They crashed the whole city, guys. 14 miles per hour. That's rain. What if I summon another tornado because my last video but doesn't have a microphone? I'm so shocked. It's so shocked too. I'm gonna get wait. I'm gonna get the car. Maybe tornado. Look at this. Are these twin tornadoes? Wait, is it meaning that is this twin tornadoes or is that that's twin tornadoes? Or two of them. What happens if it combines each other? Maybe it's Jason in charge. Is that a dead man walking or not? I'm gonna get my Dominic tree. Storm chaser. What about tornado chaser? Wait, you can scan it? Look at this. These are twin tornadoes, bro. Maybe I'm gonna go gas it. That is destroyed, yeah. Jesus. Oh, these are traps. Oh, whoa. Oh, these are traps. Oh, whoa. So the storm chases. Ooh, just look at this twin tornado. I'm gonna go to the local. I'm gonna go right there. Hey, wait, the tornado. Wait, oh man. Look at that guy right there. So see right now, well, there's another tornado because this thing. Because if you do it again around, then there's a little big tornadoes. Okay. killed. I'll join the progress, okay? Wait, I'm gonna go. We started this, so okay. I'm gonna edit it. I got torn. Okay, it's gonna be ready again. No, I actually just put in the wrong server. Okay, so we're gonna quit right now. To make sure to watch another video by part 2. Okay, so this is the peaceful day of this city. Make sure. Well, okay, we are observing. Mission complete. Oh. Mission complete. Oh. Maybe this is where I got this. And I run from this way, facing that way. And APH doesn't have anything for us there on the top of the. If you want to read it too, just look at the top of the time and above. There's above something there. Now let's wait for the tornado. There's a cloud, wall cloud forming. Wall cloud. If you don't want to watch wall cloud, that means they're trying to form a circle. I'm sure. Wait, is there another one? Or it's not? Maybe it's not. I'm just still tornado right now. Let's see. Okay, so I'm so shocked about the last video. They tried to call me. It's turning to 66 miles per hour. Voila! Huh? Oh, there's another storm coming right there. I'm just waiting for another storm. Maybe the tornado just... There's a tornado right there. I'll see if it feels like go right there. Okay. Join the This is so. Oh, the tornado was blocking the road. Because the tornadoes have warned. This is real sweetie. Please be high. Seven. Whoa! I guess we are done. Wait, this is so overcoming. Look, you can still see cracks. Oh, there's the walls. I bet this is so smooth to do this with. How the city looks like. Oh, the tornado was no done. And then it says for me, the tornado was something like that. See what the street looks like. Say goodbye. Maybe you got something in there. Oh god. Was there fire yet? Okay. If the tornado's now done. There's a fire right there. Okay, it's all done. Thank you for guys watching this video, and bye bye.